Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Justin McKissick Larry. The market is now open. Hope y'all doing well. Getting everything situated. Let me move my head over real quick. Hope y'all doing good this morning. Market is open. Adjusting my lot size a little bit. A little late start, but it's cool. Okay. As you see, I'm going up on the whole lot size. So 65. That's how we gonna do it. All right. All right. So we just gonna wait a second. The market is now open. Real easy. On the left side, I got the 2 minute time frame. On the right side, I got the 1 minute time frame. It's gonna be real easy. When the market open, I just don't get in the first trade to come up doing exactly what I thought I was gonna do. So it's either gonna come here and engulf, or it's gonna come here and engulf. Then I'm gonna get in the trade after that. Told me to buy. That's my alert system letting me know to buy. But as you see, I don't just get in the trade when the market open because I see that this is gonna be into sell mode. You know, on this part, let me look at this on the daily time frame. You'll learn all this as we get to going. I'll be able to explain everything to you. But right now, I'm just following you just watching me trade right now for a second. Just watch me. There's no point in me rushing. Hope y'all doing well this morning. You know what I'm saying? Hope you're doing well this morning. I'm not even like, as you see, I'm just sitting here chilling in the bed, getting ready to trade. Well, the market is already open a couple of minutes ago. My name is Justin McKissick Larry, and I'm a day trader. I trade NAS100. That's all I trade. I got two charts up here so I could determine what's going on a lower time frame and also on a higher time frame. On a higher time frame, we have a strong market structure showing um, that we're in a bearish market right now as far as like how my moving averages are what they're showing me. So overall, you've seen in the past, and I want to let you know every time you look at a chart, whatever you see on the chart, that's past performance. Okay, but I look at the past performance to determine what's going to happen in the future. Okay, as far as the pattern recognition. So if you notice this green moving average right here is over this white moving average, every time that happens, the price is going up. And every time the green is under the white moving average, price is going down just as a whole. But I enter my trades based on the blue and orange moving averages, okay, that you see. Sorry, let me move my head over a little bit so I can move this over. There we go. So there we go. Now you see, had told me as a buy at first, but I knew the price is going down. As overall, you see how the green now is under the white, plus the blue is under the orange right here. This is going to be a strong sell. So after this take place, after this alert come on for the sale, because I was looking for the sale anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get in a trade. I just want to wait for the confirmation. Again, on the right side is the 1 hour, on the left side is the 2 minute. So I'm just being patient. Like I told you, it's doing exactly what I told you it was gonna do. Price always tends to go to these moving averages, okay? Just some free sauce for you. This green moving average is a 50 moving average. This white moving average is a 200 moving average, okay? This moving average crossover right here on the 2 minute represents the blue and the orange, okay? On this 1 hour. So I built my algorithm so you can see what's going on from the 2 minute and the 1 hour, but you can see what's going on the 2 minute. You can see what's going on from the hour on the 2 minute based on this algorithm. So this green and white represents this blue and orange. The green white on the 2 minute represents the blue and orange on the 1 hour. So I'm just waiting for this to happen. Got 30 seconds, and let me show you what I mean, how good my algorithm is real quick. I got 24 seconds. I got time to show you real quick. Drawing vertical line, 16 seconds. Okay, so I'll put that line there. 8 seconds. Hold on, let me wait a second. You see that line there, right? I'm waiting for this to go ahead and tell me to sell. I'm not gonna take the trade until it tell me. Okay, I'm gonna wait a minute. Even though it's going into, I'm gonna wait. I'm waiting to, so when one candlestick form while the moving average is across, that represents this is an actual trade. I'm just being patient. That's how I trade, because that let me know that confirms it. So look, this white line right here, this vertical line represents this blue and orange, right? Watch this. If I take that 2 minute time frame, 2 to 1 hour time frame, you see that? Again, I told you it represents the blue and orange. It's both on the 1 hour. See what I'm saying? So I'm able to see what's going on with the overall market earlier on the 2 minute because of my algorithm. You know, if you want this information, all you got to do is email me, you know, trademo, TRADEMO 314 at gmail.com. Again, just follow me, trade. Now, as you see right here, you see how this price action is bouncing up and down right here. This is price action. Okay, price actions create movement, create candlesticks on the chart. Okay, so from left to right, you see candlesticks are forming. The most important candlestick on any trading chart you ever trade is the one all the way to the right because it represents what's going on all the time. Again, when you see these charts, you're just looking at past patterns. But because we're trading with moving average, the moving average crossover strategy, we're just waiting for a moving average crossover confirmation with one candlestick. So when one candlestick form wild cross, then I'm gonna get in that trade. But then I'm gonna still wait. It's real easy. And I'm trading with a $10,000 account. This is a prop firm challenge I'm doing. So you get to watch me trade a prop firm challenge, then you can see what type of money you can make trading. Real easy. Haven't done any measuring. Now let's watch. The alert gonna come on. I knew it would come on because I know my system. Now I took it as a sell. All right. Now I keep this trade open. Mm-hmm. Hope y'all doing well this morning. I don't use any stop losses. Now, when I'm trading with this prop firm, I can only lose a certain amount of money a day. Okay, I can only lose like 10% of my account a day, you know, 20% total. But most of the time when trading like this, I really don't lose for real. As you look at the top, I'm in profit right here. You see on the hour. Remember, when the blue is under the orange, price goes down. When the blue is over orange, price goes up. And remember, I'm looking for sales because overall, I see that the price is going down. You know, my past pattern recognition with the market structure when the green's under the white, price is going down. It always goes down. So I see that on a higher time frame as well and on here. So everything shows it's going to be a nice sale. You know, this is not smart money concept. This is common sense concept based on the common sense of what we see what's going on right now. Okay, based on what we see what's going on right now. I call it common sense. We see the direction the price is going just based on past pattern, um, past patterns. Past patterns determine what's going to happen in the future. Future patterns or patterns as of right now. and I just keep the trade open. You know, regardless of what happened, I keep this trade open. Now, sometimes, like if you ever buy the course or anything like that, it's sometimes you do want to get out the trade if it's just you don't want to you want to cut the losses short. But everything shows there's going to be a nice sale going on right now anyway, so I'm not really tripping. Market just open. I'm following my system. I didn't take the first thing that came on because again, I knew, just based on I see what's going on. So I guess it's kind of like just the smarter, we could call this smarter money concepts. They got the smart money concepts. I call this smarter money concept. This is not even a concept. This is common. I call it common sense. And I'm just chilling for real. How was y'all day yesterday? Yeah, do I look worried? Nope. All the stuff that I'm talking about, I teach this to you. You will be able to learn all of this. You will be able to learn all this. I'm literally trading in my bed, just like, you know, real easy. And this is my prop firm trading account. A prop firm is basically when a company has a large amount of capital and they give you opportunity to make money with them. If you can prove and showcase your trading skills, they will give you an account. Real simple. I'm up $300. Only been recording like 12 minutes. What you do is keep this trade open. This is real easy. You don't see me really doing any stressing or anything like that. I tell people trading is easy. They tend not to believe me, you know. Well, my trading concept is easy. Took me 10 years almost. I had to calculate it. I thought it was like 8 to 7. No, it took me 10 years to figure this out, to make this look easy. It took me 10 years. Everything you see on this chart, I customized this algorithm, me being able to determine what's going on from a smaller time frame based on the higher time frame with like how I put this white line here to show you that represents this blue and orange. I customized all this. The parameters is customized, even knowing one candlestick forming while the moving average is across everything. I figured that out myself. You know what I mean? So once you buy the course, you'll be able to do this with me. And with this company, it's a 90 split, 90-10 split. I get 90%, they get 10%. They a capital company, so they got money anyway. They just want me to make them more money. And they pay generously, really generously, you know? And I'm gonna keep this trade open. Now, most of the time I would keep the trade open based on this, but even by the hour, knowing that it's crossed over by the hour like this, I could just leave it open by the hour now that I'm already entered anyway and just keep it open. But I'm not gonna over trade today. I'm gonna just take this profit in a minute, then I'm gonna call it a day. And imagine doing this type of now. I'm gonna let you know though, it doesn't always work out this way where it's just sometimes the market opening is consolidating and stuff like that. Meaning that it's kind of like bouncing in one area, but when I did my analysis, I had a good visual to see what's going on. Now, my time may run out soon. I got like 30 seconds left. I'm gonna go ahead and take profit in a minute just to go ahead and get my day going because I got other shit to do. It's not a bad profit. Hold on.